Good morning, children. How's everyone? I hope all of you are doing fine, right? So, children, today we will begin the second lesson of our Unit 2, okay? Unit 2. But children, before beginning the class, as usual, we will see what's the date today. So today's date is 13 July 2021, okay? And today's day is Tuesday, okay? So since now we have completed the first unit, okay? That was A Happy Child, Three Little Pigs, and Unit 2, After a Bath, right, children? Here it is. And since we had already finished our poem After Bath, so we will begin with the lesson 2 of Unit 2, okay, which is in page number 21. So children, if you have a book, just look into page number 21, okay. So before beginning the lesson, children, we will see what is a bubble is, okay. तो बच्चों, do you know ये bubble क्या होते हैं? If you don't, I'll tell you. Bubble वो जो होते हैं ना, जब हम मेले वगैरह में जाते हैं तो हम वो ऐसे कुछ डिब्बे जैसे होते हैं, उससे निकाल के फूंक करके उड़ाते हैं, बबल उसे बोलते हैं, ओके. दैट इज कॉल्ड बबल. एंड स्टिल इफ देयर इज एनी डाउट यू कैन सी हियर, ओके. वो जब हम कपड़े धोते हैं, व्हेन हम लोग सर्फ को भिगाते हैं तो उसमें से जो बुलबुले निकलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड बबल, ओके. अगर हम हिंदी में बोले तो बबल जो होते हैं उससे हिंदी में बोलते हैं बुलबुले, राइट. Okay, so next is the straw. Okay, so children, what is a straw now? So if you haven't seen straw, तो I'll give you an example. जब आप कोई cold drinks वगैरह या whenever you are drinking any cold drinks or something, okay, तो आप जो उसमें एक पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर आप उसमें डालते हैं और आप उससे जब आप when you suck and when you drink, that pipe like structure is called straw, okay, which is in this shape, okay, a thin pipe like structure and which is hollow inside, okay, जिसके अंदर, okay, which is hollow inside and it's just a pipe like structure, okay. That is called what? That is called straw, okay. And the shoes, okay. So children, I hope all of you know what is the shoe is, right? जूते क्या है वो तो आपको पता ही होगा, जो कि आप अपने पैरों में पहनते हैं, that is a shoe, okay. So this one is a shoe. So in this lesson, children, today we will be talking about bubble, okay. So now you have known what is a bubble is, and then straw. What is a straw? Straw is a pipe-like structure which is hollow inside, okay. And then shoes. All right, children. So with this, we will begin the story, okay, whose title is The Bubble, the Straw and the Shoes. ओके बच्चों, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे द बबल, द स्ट्रॉ और द शूज की कहानी, ओके. So with this, we will start the first paragraph, okay. Here it is written, once upon a time there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe, okay. So once upon a time there was a bubble, okay, and a straw and a shoe, okay. These three were there, okay. So one day they went into the forest. तो बच्चों, एक दिन bubble, straw and shoe, where did they go? They went into a forest, okay. Forest. Now children, what is a forest is? Forest क्या होता है? Forest हम जंगल को बोलते हैं, ठीक है. तो once upon a time there were three things, that is bubble, straw and shoes, okay. And where did they go? They went to a forest, okay. Then they came to the river. They did not know how to cross it. So you see children, the bubble, stick and the shoes, okay, these three of them, they together went where? They went to a forest, okay. And then they came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. So here in this picture again, you see children, all of them, the three of them, okay, they came to where? They came to a river. तो बच्चों ये देखो, यहाँ पे ground है, यहाँ पे भी ground है, and in between there is a river, okay. So they came to a river, but they did not have the idea how to cross it, okay. तो ये तीनों जो है, ये तीनों एक river के पास तो आ गए, okay. They came near a river, all right, but they did not know how to cross this river, okay. They did not have the idea how to cross this river. So you see children, the shoe said, Bubble, let us float on you. Then the first idea came to whose mind? The first idea it came to Shoe's mind, okay. Shoes के दिमाग में क्या idea आया? That the shoes, he suggested to the bubble that let us float on you, okay. So that means the shoe, okay, the shoe, he suggested to the bubble that they should float on whom? They should float on the bubble, okay. Then turn the page children to page number 22, okay. Then what happened? We will see. No, Shoe, let Straw stretch himself from one bank to another, then we can cross the river. Then what did the bubble say? The bubble said that let the straw stretch himself, okay. Let the straw stretch himself, okay children. So what is the meaning of a stretch? We will see the meaning of a stretch, okay. So what's the meaning of a stretch? And the spelling of stretch is, here it is given. If you see page number 22, it's written here in the last paragraph, okay. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D, okay. So stretch. तो ये stretch का क्या मतलब होता है? Alright. स्ट्रेच का मतलब होता है व्हेन यू कैन इलोंगेट समथिंग, ओके. जब किसी चीज़ को आप टान के लंबा कर सको, उससे हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्ट्रेच, ओके. स्ट्रेच मीन्स टू इलोंगेट समथिंग, ओके. So when you can elongate something, जब आप किसी चीज़ को टान के लंबा कर सकते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं हम stretch, okay. तो बच्चों देखो, in the story what happened? All of these three, okay, all these three, the bubble, straw and the shoes, they together went where? They together went to a forest, okay. And when they went to the forest, where did they come close to? They came close to a river, okay. And now they had to face how to cross this river, okay. So at first the idea came to whose mind? The idea came to Shoe's mind, okay. And what was that idea? The idea was that they will float on the bubble, and that way they will do what? They will cross the river, okay. But then क्या हुआ कि बबल ने क्या कहा? बबल सेड नो, ओके. बबल ने कहा नो. हाउ विल दे क्रॉस द रिवर? नाउ द बबल गेव अनदर आइडिया, ठीक है. बबल ने फिर एक अलग आइडिया दिया, और बबल ने क्या कहा शू को? नो, वी विल नॉट फ्लोट ऑन मी, ओके. ये किसने कहा? बबल ने कहा. रादर व्हाट दे विल डू? दे विल it is given here, let straw stretch himself from one bank to other, then we can cross the river. तो बबल ने कहा कि let the straw stretch himself. So now the meaning of stretch, you know it well, right? Stretch means to elongate something, okay. तो बबल ने कहा ये जो straw है, इसे let him stretch himself, okay, from one side, okay, from one corner to the another corner of the river, and that way the shoe and the bubble will cross the river, okay. So I hope up to here it's clear. पहले किसने आइडिया दिया? पहले जूते ने आइडिया दिया that they will float on the bubble, okay. And then bubble said what? No. Then how will they cross the river? Bubble gave another idea that the straw, okay, straw will stretch himself from one corner of the river to another corner, okay, and that way they will cross the river. Okay, so now we will see what happened next. Okay, so when the straw stretched himself from one bank to other, jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. So you see children, in the picture it's given according to the plan of the bubble. Okay, according to the plan of the bubble, what they did is that the straw, it stretched himself. Okay, and where did it stretch himself? Into the river. ठीक है, तो नदी में उसने अपने आप को stretch किया. All right. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट द शू. ओके, ये जो जूता है, दिस शू इट जम्प्ड इनटू द वेयर, टू द स्ट्रॉ. द शू इट जम्प्ड इनटू द स्ट्रॉ एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड? द स्ट्रॉ ब्रोक इन बिटवीन. तो बच्चों आप लोग ये पिक्चर देखो, ये दोनों किनारा है नदी का. ओके, तो ये जो बैंक बोलते हैं, द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर इज द साइड पार्ट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, ये जो दो किनारे हैं इसे हम बोलते हैं बैंक. तो ये स्ट्रॉ ने क्या किया? व्हाट दिस स्ट्रॉ डिड इज दैट ही स्ट्रेच हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर टू अनदर एंड व्हेन द शू, ठीक है, वो जूता जब, देन व्हाट हैपेंड? द स्ट्रॉ ब्रोक इन बिटवीन. ठीक है, ये टूट गया बीच से, और बिकॉज द स्ट्रॉ ब्रोक इन बिटवीन, सो दैट्स व्हाई द शू, ओके, ये जो जूता है ये पानी में गिर गया. ऑल राइट. और जब ऐसा हुआ, when it happened at very delicate, out very loud, so that's why the bubble